Ever feel like your edits look fine, but something's just missing? Most of the times, it's not the visuals, it's the sound design. There are 4 sound effects that I always recommend. Undertones to set the mood, risers to build tension before key movements, hits and bushes to make your cuts feel sharper, and ambient textures like room tone or subtle background sounds that make everything feel real. On their own, they seem small, but when you layer them together, that's when your video really clicks.